What is up, guys? It's a very gloomy Saturday morning. Today I'm going to take the C63 out to downtown LA. Do a little small little meet, see some people I haven't seen in a long time. Should be fun.
Five lanes and shit, or like, yeah, like 5 lanes, 3 on the right. I was just smashing, I was going like 100. Coming down from his uncle was in airport? No, when we picked up the car right now. Yeah, man. I like them being sorry ones that day.
About to go find a spot to get some pics at. Everyone's out here.
Yeah. Bro, I have too many pictures on my car. I need to take more pictures on my dog.
Got Dodger Stadium over there. Nice little view. And we got all the cars out here.
It feels like you blew a bag though.
Pretty cool shot, not gonna lie.
Shits are mean, dude.
Sounds so good, man. Successful little meetup. Met some cool people never met before, but I met on Instagram and stuff like that. So pretty cool. Met my buddy Navraj from up north in Northern California. That was pretty cool. So he was down here for a little bit, meeting some friends and all that. So I was good to see him finally. And yeah, a little bit of a gloomy day today, but so far no rain. Well, I spoke too soon, started drizzling like just 2 seconds ago, and these wipers are like way past their due date. They're not awful, but like they make that terrible noise. But it is what it is. Yeah, I just got home, took about an hour with some traffic, not too bad though, and of course I am now basically out of gas, so present for future Sam is going to be filling up the car next time I drive it, so that'll be nice. But yeah, we're back now, and this car was great. Hope we do this again next weekend.